Spotty crop, and welcome. I'm Steve Hakl, your ever-going guru. Well, I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to transport mostly my camera equipment and gear over to Thailand safely. At first, I was thinking about a 10-foot sea can container, but obviously that's going to be a little big and a little heavy. I was able to secure a flight case off the Facebook Marketplace and feel it was a little flimsy, so I had to secure it a little more. We have the lid over here. The lid actually used to be the base, and this used to be the top. So I've actually flipped it around. I moved the pallet stabilizers off the bottom of the case and put them onto the top, and now the top's the bottom. Able to get that with a forklift now. Well, I got the box on the side, but of course it just ran out of battery power. So we're gonna get that one battery that we have on the charger and go and grab the mini tripod so we can film this properly. So Steve, you just finished film school. So where's all the sequences and different size frames to create the story? Well, to create a story, you first have to bake it. And to bake it means you have to figure out how you're going to tell the story and how you're going to show the story. Personally, I don't have that much time in my hands. I need to get the stuff done. So it's more of a run and gun type of recording. Strong battery now. Where to get screws? Okay, working against the sun here. But you can see we've got the top of the box built out. Gonna have to do the same for the top to bottom inside, and then do the straights up and down. Taking some time, but it should pay off. Starting to get hot outside, which means we'll probably trade this up, save the rest for tomorrow, and head into town and do some job hunting at the BC Works Office.